Good evening. Aray ko. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Inferior. Salamat sa nag-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you for Thank you for the viewers. One people. One. One. Thank you for the 3 people here. Hi, hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to love me. Someday, someday. Right now, I don't even see my way. Hi, Alton Taylor. Hell yeah. Hi, people. Hi, Alton Taylor. Where are you from? Good evening there. Did you have a nice day? Yes, I have a nice day. Where's Sal? Catley. Hello, Crystal. Thank you for the time, Zach. Where are you from, guys? Florida. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Alton Taylor from Florida. Thank you. Thank you for the 4 people here. California. Ah, GT, you're from California. Hi, GT from California. Thank you guys for joining here. Hello. Hi, where are you from? Sleepy Cat. Sleepy Cat. From Sleepy Cat. Yes, Southern California. Okay. Nice to meet you, GT. From Japan, Sleepy Cat from Japan. Hi. Shout out to you, Sleepy Cat. Why Sleepy Cat? Zoao. Arabic. I don't understand Arabic language. Can you speak in English? Zoao. From part of Philippines are you from? From Bicol. Sir GT, I'm from Bicol, Philippines. Thank you for the thumbs up. Nice to meet you guys, Sleepy Cat. Thank you for the thumbs up, Sleepy Cat. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Beautiful your country. Yes, happy country also. But here the province where I live, beautiful, but the life is not so easy. Are you married? Oh, not yet married. Mick Chick Media. Hello, I'm a new subscriber. Thank you for subscribe my channel, Mick Chick Media. New subscriber. Would like to have everyone come sing on karaoke on our live streams. We have are so much fun and all nice people. Okay. Do you do you do you like to hear on YouTube, Mick Chick Media? You want to get married? Yes, I want to get married. That's one of my dreams. Getting married. Church Mary. Church wedding. Yes, I know, but soon many blessings come to Philippines, I think. Oh, thank you so much, JT. I hope. I hope. More blessings to come. More blessings to come. I hope. Hoping. Thank you, Sir JT. Sinong bakla? Jenna Grace. Sinong bakla? 9. Thank you for the watching here. I am game. You game? Blaine Gertrude ZTCom. Well, you know, like your videos. Thank you. Thank you, Blaine. Ikaw po. Oh, di mo ako kilala. Di mo ko kilala, no? Hula hula hops. Kung kilala mo ako, hindi mo sasabihin yan. Thank you for, salamat sa pagpunta, Jano Grace. Florence May Glabo. Thank you, Florence May Glabo. Salamat. Thank you for the 19. Hi, Bimbi! Gwapo mo! Ha? Or ang ganda mo, ang ganda-ganda mo. Salamat sa pagpunta. You're so perfect, you know. Ang perfecto mo. Welcome! Welcome to my life, joke. It's fine. Thank you. Okay lang. Joker din naman ako. Thank you. There goes my mind. From Blaine Gertrude. Do you have a poll? No, we don't have a poll. My life here is a very simple, ordinary living here in the province of the Philippines. Yes. Ate God, ano ibig mong sabihin? Anong ibig mong sabihin, Jenna? Oo, ako. Okay. Bimbi. Ano ka ba, Bimbi? Babae, lalaki? Mukha akong Mukha ba akong bakla? Di kasi ako marunong mag-lipstick, magkilay, ganyan. Bro, bakit? Wala akong lupain. Joke. Girl, you're a girl. You're a boy. Bata ka pa. Marahil. Lalaki. Me, bakla. Charot. May anak ako isa. So, mother na mother. And I thought I would be right with. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for the 6 people here. Thank you. At hindi ibig sabihin. Thank you for the 8 people here. Thank you so much. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hello. Bakit mo? City life, city girl, city girl. Are you a music lover, Cheryl? Yes, so much. Music lover, coffee lover, nature lover. I really love music. Coffee lover, nature lover. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Alan Taylor. Alton Taylor. How old are you, Alton? Are you married? We have a kids, family, having a happy family. Oh, 62. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Alton Taylor. Hop Sing Fudge Food. Hi, girl. Views namin ng isang Atan, I love you. Ana. I love you, darling. Darling. Thank you. Welcome, Sir Alton Taylor from Florida, USA. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to need me. Someday. I don't ever see my worth. How old are you, sir? I'm 40 years old. 40, 40, 40, 40 years old. Beautiful voice. Thanks, sir. Hi, Tita Marie. Oh my God. Tita Marie, thank you so much. Hi. Miss you. Still happy. Thank you, Tita. Oh my God. Akala ko nagtampo ka na. How was the barangay competition? Did you win? I'm at third place. As I get out, yes. Third. I'm at three. I'm not win. But it's fine. At least I fight. Second place. I'm a second place. Just came back from vacation. We went to Jamaica. Wow! Wow! Sana all nagbabakasyon! Oh my God! Thank you, Tita and Tito Marie. Thank you, Tita Marie and Tito Stefan. You helped me a lot during the Mother Queen competition. Thank you so much. Thank you, Tita and Tito. Congrats. Thank you, Tita. Thank you so much. You helped me a lot. The Mother Queen. So much. for the thumbs up, guys. I will be live streaming in September. I hope you can visit me. Yes, I can visit you, Tita. Thank you, Tita, for inviting me. Oh, I will visit Tita. Ah, thank you. Happy to see you again here, Tita. Ah, I miss you. To someone never Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. Nicolas Martinez. 40. I'm 40 years older. I'm getting old. Oh, I'm thinking. Ah, okay. Where are you from, Nicolas? Nice to meet you. Greetings from South Korea. Park Jin-woo. Hi, Park Jin-woo. Sana all. Amyong Saheya. Amyong Saheya man. California. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you, Nicolas Martinez from California. Thank you for joining me here. Thank you, Nicolas. Thank you so much. This time I'll love you much. Do you have any kids? I have son. I have one son. He's sleeping now. I have daughter too. Ah, wow, that's great. Happy family. Do you have a happy family? That's Can you be my mommy and cook? No. My wife. My wife. Where's your wife? I'm not single. I'm getting married soon. I will bring you here. We have our last games night for the year. August 22. Hope you can make it, Cheryl. Yes, Tita. I will put on the calendar. August 22. Wait. What time, Tita? Okay, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Oh, okay, sorry. It's fine, Nicholas. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the 15 people here. Thank you so much. Jerry also. Hi, Jerry. Thank you, Tita Marie. Thank you so much. 6 p.m. Saturday night, Philippine time. Okay, 6 p.m. Thank you, Tita, for inviting me. I will join. Time to die goodbye. Listening to the ocean. Hi, hello, kumusta, Day? Okay naman po. Okay, kayo po, kumusta? Not on my channel, a basic English, a basic English. Ah, okay, a basic English. We're just sponsoring the Gcash prices. Ah, okay. I thought your channel. Okay, tita, thank you so much. Hope I will win. Hope I will win. Take it easy. I know you have to be loved. I know. Oh, no. Thank you, Tita, for inviting me. Thank you so much. Let your family and friends know it's our way of sharing the blessings. Good luck. Okay. Okay, Tita, thank you so much. I will tell them. I tell them. Hope they will join. Yay! What's games? Karaoke, Tita. I follow the Moscow down to Gorky Park, listening to the wind. Bisaya, lagi kaday, taga din, yay kaday. Hindi po ako Bisaya, Bicolana. I'm Bicolana. I'm not Bisaya. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Salamat. I come to you. Salamat. Simple game, just dark racism. Dark racism and Rolita. I know it. Singing contest at the beginning. Sing one English and one Filipino. The sound card needed. 500 pesos. Ah, wow. Please subscribe and like the Shit's channel. What? Sure. Shit's channel. Thank you, team. Thank you, my team. Hi po. Hi, Joselito Fat. Joselito Fat, thank you so much. Shit, son. Sheryl Channel. Sheryl Channel. Sheryl Ohm. Sheryl Ohm. Thank you for the 10 people. Thank you, guys. Nantok na ako. I feel sleepy na. Hi, thank you. Okay, okay. No, I'm not single. Dili na ako single dang. Dili na ako single dang, Jerry. Antok ka na. Pagod kasi. Pagod na. Antok na. At sa bawat minuto gusto ko nang daming gagawin. Sa dami ng gagawin, wala akong nagawa. Bye for now. Ingat ka, Sheryl. Thank you, tita. Thank you for joining. Salamat sa pagpunta. See you later again. Thank you po, tita. Thank you so much. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa nagtumutusok. Salamat sa nagtuthumbs up. Salamat. Nantok na yun. Oh. Pagod na. Pagod. Pagod na siya. Kaya pa siya. Sa kawalan, umikot na. Mayon ka ng asawa dahil wala pa dong, pero malapit na dong. Malapit na dong. Malapit na pala. Yes, totoo yan. So, common sense na yan, kahit hindi mo sabihin. Gawain mo din yan. Para naman ikaw, wala ka namang common sense. Kailangan ko bang sabihin yan? Oh my God! Edwin! Edwin English. Oh, Edwin. Ako, Edwin. Ayoko nga, Pilipino ako. Yun lang. Patay tayo diyan. Dwayne, nako. Magagalit yung manager ko. Huwag ka magipagkulitan dyan, Dwayne. Antok ako. Ayaw. Ay, patay. Ayun na. Yan na nga eh. Yan na ang sinasabi ko. Wala lang magagawa kung ayaw mo na. Tayong magagawa. Ay. Oh my God. Ay, shucks. Edwin. I love Philippines. Saan on English yun? Aray. Ay. Ang kulit. My God. Hi. Enjoy you too. Hi, malamig na gabi. Malamig na gabi. Salamat sa nagtamsa. Salamat sa tumamsag. Thank you. Malamig na gabi. Little English. Okay lang. Umibig ako sa'yo. I understand, but please speak English. Hi, Lito. Dichusan. Huh? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry sa magulong kwarto. Oh, may sawa ka na ba? Wala pa, pero malapit na. Lapit na po. Soon I will get married. Oh, cha-cha-cha. Wala. Oh my. Ang kulit mo, Edwin. Thank you for nine. Ganun ba? Sino kasama mo? Bibi ko, ang anak ko. My baby girl. Little English, please. Thank you for the 9 thumbs up. Salamat sa nagta-thumbs up. Salamat sa nanonood. Mga silent viewer, thank you so much. Silent viewer, thank you so much. May anak ka na, yes. May anak ako isa. Ayun, kailangan natin mag-English kasi yung manager ko English speaking. Masakit ang ulo ko. I feel headache. You're tired? Yes. I'm tired looking at the phone. I woke up searching the stars. Oh my god. Okay, sana yan asawa mo. Hindi ko alam kung nasa na siya. Basta masaya na siya sa buhay. You're tired watching your boyfriend. Oh my god, what? Stop it. Stop. Shut up. God. My goodness. I hate that. Oh my god. Make me there. Look. It's close. Oh. Close window. Even before it's closed. Wrong spelling is wrong, Jerry. Cute yung teddy bear. My bear. Why didn't you show Tita your third place with prize? She asking. With price? With no price. The price is the bear. Tita, I already explained Tita. She know Tita. She know that. You didn't show her. I already explained it before. She will understand. She's a Filipina. Little English or you go to my mouth. Um, Tita, she's happy for me. She congratulated me. And I say thank you. And she support me for another thing. Even not so much, but it helps me a lot. Trying to sleep now.